Did you know that your chapstick can have ingredients that are byproducts of the oil and gas industry? Well, it can. And today on the galley, we're going to make our very own all-natural, luscious, beautiful chapstick. No dyes, no artificial flavors, no byproducts from the oil industry, just all beautiful things that are going to be great for your lips. So let's get started. So what I have is a little hot water down here with a bowl on top of it. And I'm going to start with shea butter. Now, shea butter helps hydrate and soften your lips. It's rich in vitamin A and E, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe chapped and irritated lips. And I'm going to do about 1.5 tablespoons of shea butter. So next we're going to go in with some beeswax. Now, beeswax acts as a natural barrier, helping to seal in moisture as it protects the lips from environmental facts, like wind and cold. It also has antibacterial property, and we just want this to melt. Now to this, I'm going to add some argan oil. Argan oil is really good for your skin and also your lips. It's packed with fatty acids and vitamin E, which are beneficial for moisture and nourishing the skin. And it helps to repair and soften dry lips. And I'm going to do a teaspoon of my argan oil. Next, we're going to do some vitamin E. Now, obviously, we have some vitamin E already in here with our argan oil and our shea butter. But vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage and promotes healing. It's also known for its ability to fade scars, and it will improve the overall texture of your lip. And then we're just going to keep this moving and keep an eye on it till it's all melted. Now, obviously, we don't have any fragrances here. Fragrance is one of the things that are really bad in those chapsticks because it's all artificial. So you can get these little tin containers, which I really like because, these are just great to throw in your purse or whatever. And you can also get the little roll-up things. I'm making these today for some family members and for some friends. So I'm doing kind of a little bit of both. And for this, I kind of devised this as a piping tip, and I use that as a funnel to fill them up because I really didn't have a funnel that was kind of skinny enough. So we're almost melted over here. Now this is going to, once it cools, it's going to get hard, obviously, like your chapstick. So don't put this down your sink because it's gonna, do that on your sink walls. So we're almost done. Now, once this comes off the heat and you start pouring it, you got to move pretty fast because it really does start firming up relatively fast. So go quick. So just while we're waiting, this is the ingredients in that black tube of chapstick. So all of that is in there. It even has 2 dyes in it. We're all melted over here. Now I just use this little thing because I can pour out of it. These obviously are easy to fill up. Sit that down. Oh, and then these you gotta watch them closely. And I just pour through here. So for that little bit of ingredients, we got 2 of these and 2 of these. Isn't that amazing? I'm here to tell you that your lips are going to be happier than they've ever been. And there you have it. Super easy homemade chapstick. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.